Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. So yes guys, I know it's been a minute since I posted a video, but today guys, I'm going to be making some and can I switch it up a little um with this video. I'm going to. It's been a while since I took a bath at the local river where I live. So today I decided to go down there and take a bath, and I decided to bring my YouTube family with me. So yes, guys, this is Country Life living in Jamaica. Remember to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Hit that post notification bell. On the path to the river. So yeah, come on, guys. Hey guys, may I walk? Go to the river. Uh, it's not really lonely. I can go down there by myself. It's not lonely. It's near the roadside. So, but this is the pass. That's on my pass still. It's on my yard pass. Yeah. Me I look for my mother, but me not say I wish pass it. I want her to take one picture for make it thumbnail for me. Oh, let's see. Yeah, guys. So stay tuned. Remember to subscribe if you are not subscribed. Hit that post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a video. For the river. So yeah, let's go. See, me can't carry now. No see. Yeah. Want to see past good. Going down the path. Oh, oh, oh. Wait. So yeah, guys, this is the pass. We go down at the river. As you can see, people come down here very often. So it's not a lonely river. Nope, it's not. And somebody already did down here already too. So I'm not there here by myself. Yay, Charmy. So yeah guys, we're here at the river. I'm just want to show you. So yeah guys, this is a little part where me I go bed.
guys, what's up with myself now? With me Jamaican national rap. guys, remember. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. Remember to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Hit that post notification bell. And guys, comment if you want more videos like this on my YouTube channel. Yeah guys, comment if you want videos like this, more videos like this on my YouTube channel guys. And remember to subscribe if you are not already subscribed guys. Hit that post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post that video. Yeah guys, so as I